I am 5 times busier with everything that's going on, and I hope that you are staying proactive and busy as well with your 360 booth business. Some of the questions that come up on the Facebook group are, how do you remove the music entirely from your Touchpix account? So a lot of people are having the problem where they won't select an MP3 song, but what they will do is leave it blank. And so when they record the video, Touchpix has a default song that plays in the background. Today I'm going to show you how to remove that. That way, when you give the video over to the client, or better yet, when the video finishes rendering, those videos won't have any background music. It sucks, but social media platforms are sometimes flagging these videos that we include the song in, and it just depends on the song. So let's go ahead and show you how that is done. I'm going to go into my Touchpix application. I'm going to guide you guys through on how to remove that unwanted song. So let's go ahead and open up Touchpix right here. But first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go do it in screen recording. Let me go ahead and do a screen record. All right, so let's go ahead and access Touchpix application right here. All right, so when you are on this section right here, what you want to do is you want to come over here and hit the menu icon there, and then go to settings for me. Okay, so on these arrows, the left arrow and the right arrow, hit either arrow until you get to where it says, let's see, it's going to say video effects. So when you are in the video effects section, you see right there, right down the middle where it says audio, and on the top right it says slow-mo. Go ahead and select audio, and then at the bottom right here, hit delete. Once that occurs, go ahead and now click on the very top where it says boomerang right here down the middle. Click on the audio and go to delete. We're going to do the same thing for the video on the left side right here. Click audio, go to the bottom where it says right here, right side, delete. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to put this to the test. I'm going to record a very quick video here. I'm going to set the motion just to confirm that this is working like it should. So let me go ahead and do a rotation. It's going to record really quick here, and it's complete, and it's going to go ahead and render, crop, and resize and do all that good stuff. And it might say adding audio, but it doesn't necessarily mean there's going to be an audio track. But let's go ahead and confirm right now. It's combining the files for us, applying the overlay. By the way, if you guys have an upcoming event this weekend, good luck. Okay, so that's me right there. And as you guys can see, I'm turning up the volume and there's absolutely no audio. So that's success for us right there, and that's exactly how you do that. I hope you find this video super helpful. Don't ever be disencouraged as far as posting your questions on the Facebook group. Sometimes you guys probably feel like that's a dumb question to ask, when in reality that question might be a question someone else has too and is too afraid to post it. So go ahead and post all of your questions on the Facebook group, and when you get to a point in your career as a 360 booth operator, come back here, come back to the family and contribute, help other people out, help out new 360 booth operators that are struggling with their businesses. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and continue commenting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.